Well, this time the Tesla semi-stalker managed to stock up the Cybertruck, visiting Giga Nevada on Monday, and what is it, October 23rd, 2023, and I managed to get serendipitously fly my drone and see that there was a little crowd gathered here. And towards the end of the video, it's a little better. It's a little closer video. This is using the DJI Master Shot feature, which is really good, but I should have initiated it closer to the Cybertruck. So this will kind of give you a little perspective. Notice that they have the Tesla Semi there for the employees to check out, parked right outside also. So anyway, here we are enjoying the Cybertruck in Giga Nevada, and not sure how long it'll be here. It's not its first time. I heard rumor it was here a few weeks ago, and be interesting to see where this one is spotted next, either at a supercharger near Giga Nevada, near Reno, or on its way to California. Who knows where it's going to go next, and you know how we can't exactly identify which one is which, because there are several out in the wild now. But I'll just stop for a moment and let you enjoy the Cybertruck. So this is the Tesla Cybertruck visiting Giga Nevada, and in case you're interested, I did order a Tesla Cybertruck. I waited 2 weeks after the reveal, thinking that I didn't want a really early one, and then eventually I upgraded to the tri-motor because why not? And we'll see what happens.